Hey everyone, it is CP Investing here, and today I'll be talking about Stpk Energy Transition. And I really like this stock for the future. By the end of 2021, I can see this hitting 80. That's my price prediction on this stock. I think this 29.74 is very undervalued. I think that it's so undervalued right now because of the merger. The merger hasn't been announced or gone through yet with STEM. So I think when that does happen, this thing is gonna really go off. So on Friday, I only saw that we were down on Friday because my options were down, but after hours this thing exploded. It went up to 11%, 12.5% actually at one point. Then only finished up at 9%, but total it's up around 5% today, or on Friday I mean. And yeah, this is looking really good for this. I actually bought my first option right here. I actually felt really dumb because it went straight down after that. Then I bought another one here, and then I bought two more down here. So now I have a current of 4 options on this stock. I can show you guys right here. 4 options cost about 4,410. I'm down 25% currently. Got 4 contracts. My break-even price is 51, and I think we should kind of easily break that in my opinion. I'm very bullish on this company. My average cost per share is $11.03. So yeah, you can just see of all time it just went straight down, and now it's slowly starting to come back for the options. And I kind of bought the options when they were higher in volatility. That's when I realized the first 2 options that was bad. The volatility was about 120-ish% when I bought them, and now they're 115, so the volatility is going back up, which is good, which is going to help increase the price. But yeah, I want to show you guys why I think this went up after hours. There's an article, Fast Money Picks for February 1st, Danimer, Microsoft, Stpk Energy. And then if we go to Stpk Energy, Steve Grasso is a buyer of Stpk Energy Transaction Corp. He thinks stock is worth around $70 on a valuation. So that just came out, I believe yesterday, or no, today in the morning. And then this article came out about on the investor place that Stpk Energy stock will double after the SPAC merger. I believe that this is what came out yesterday. Stpk is a SPAC that will merge with battery storage management company STEM. Once that happens, the symbol will change to STEM. Expect the Stpk stock, actually STEM, essentially double from here. On December 4th, STEM, an AI-driven clean energy storage systems manager, agreed to do a reverse merger with Stpk acquisition transition. STEM calls itself a pure-play clean smart energy storage company. Essentially, they provide corporations with battery backup by charging during the low energy usage and dispensing electricity during peak hours. For example, they help California corporations get through the rolling blackout several years ago. Moreover, the company already produces revenue on track to be EBITDA, earnings before interest, taxes, depreciation, and amortization, and free cash flow positive in several years. I believe the combined company stock will double from here. Here's why. So now we're just going to get into the juicy part. I believe that this helped bring the stock up after hours. So let's get into it. One of the main reasons why I believe Stpk stock will double is because of the other energy storage and charging companies. Stocks are highly valued. For example, Blink and Switchback Energy, which plans on merging with EV charging company ChargePoint, have a very high valuations compared to Stpk stock. If you guys want to see, I go to college, and I'm a senior in college, but there's ChargePoint charging stations all around my campus, which is pretty cool to see, how I was invested in Switchback Energy when it was around $13, and I could see ChargePoint charging stations all around my campus, which is pretty cool. Sorry, that was a bit off topic, but let's get right back into it. First, let's establish what Stpk's present pro forma valuation is right now. Page 32 of Stpk SPAC slide presentation lays out the economics of the merger transaction. For example, once the merger closes, there will be 135 3.4 million shares outstanding. Therefore, on a pro forma merger basis, the market capitalization for Stpk stock is now $3.969 billion. Moreover, since the merger brings in $525 million, the pro forma enterprise value will be $3.4 billion. Next, STEM projects on page 29 of the slide presentation that it will make $147 million in revenue in 2021. By 2022, STEM forecasts $1 million that would double to $315 million. Finally, its enterprise value to sales multiple is 23.4 times 2021 forecast revenue. $3.4 billion divided by $147 million. Moreover, by 2022, the multiple falls to 10.9 times. Comparing its valuation with Blink Charging. If you guys want to take a look at this, you guys can, but I'm going to just skip to the next part with what Stpk stock is worth. That will give Stpk an enterprise value of $8.673 billion. In addition, we add back the $525 million in cash that was previously deducted in order to get the market capitalization. That means Stpk stock will be worth about $9.198 billion. Therefore, Stpk is worth 132% more than its $3.969 for promo market cap. In other words, Stpk is worth $67.91 per share, well over double its price today of $27.50 at the time of publication. That is a really good potential return investment for more investors in the energy sector, and it just gets into other stuff around that. But yeah, I think that also made the price go up a little bit. But yeah, I do agree with this article. I told you already, heavily invested in this. About more than half of my portfolio is in this. And then I got AMC calls and GME calls, but I'm doing this to try to get rid of the big corporations, the big hedge funds. Like, they're trying to rig the game in their favor, which I don't like. But Stpk, I think, is undervalued right now. I think before the merger it should be around $30 to $32, and then after merger it should go up a lot. As you can see, like, we peaked at 36 and then we just gone down since. If you happen to get in like in this area, in this huge dip, good for you. That is awesome. But even if you can get in right now, it's not too late at all. I have a price target at around $80 on Stpk Energy. That's why I got my 4 calls. I'm a heavy bull on this. I strongly believe in Stpk Energy. They're the leader in their energy, in their smart AI storage energy area. So I think they got a lot more room to run. I know like Citron really likes this as well, but they seem to be untrustworthy. They have a $100 price target, but a lot more people are coming out saying that they like Stpk Energy. So take it for what it is. I'm really bullish on this company. I'll be holding for the long term until probably a month or two, until the premium starts coming off a lot more. The decay starts bringing a lot more off the premium of the stock, or off the options, I mean. So yeah, I really like Stpk. Let me know in the comment section if you guys are also in Stpk, if you guys are invested in it, or if you guys want to get invested in it. I don't think it's too late to get invested into it. It has a lot more room to run. I think there's a lot more upside to the risk of this stock. And guys, I am not a financial advisor. Do your own due diligence. Do your own research on the stock, and drop a like on the video so this gets out to more people, and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos about Stpk, because I'll be posting more updates on it. And yeah, thanks for watching, and peace.